Going to work with the devil today, boy.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis says he wants to give police officers a $5,000 bonus to move to Florida, where they can escape vaccine mandates. Really cool for out of the cost, but you know all of them are going to want to go to the 305.
For tomorrow, Jones will tell me he would be ready.
Yeah, one day, yeah. Yeah, so anyway, I had to wait and hold up for here for these guys, but I'm getting it done. It wasn't on limit yet.
An extra $500 in a jumpstart.
Customer supply. It's too big. Won't fit. It's a lot of water.
Yeah,
Wow.
coming up and down there.
It's at the elbow.
All right, you take care.
Thank you.
All right?
So this same thing happened to mine, right?
Yeah, yours before.
Yeah, 2 years ago happened
Yes,
one.
Oh,
right.
we just moved in. Yeah,
That's
you told
right.
us.
We didn't move in yet.
All right. That's good.
On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's mine, and I want it now.